Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime, so stay tuned. So the first ingredient you'll need is some glue, and I'm using Elmer's clear glue, baking soda, contact lens solution. I don't know if the lens solution can work to it, and if it does, leave it down in the comment section below. I'm going to need some spoons, I don't know if they're tablespoons or probably, but they're optional. And finally, a bowl and mixing tool, but water too. But I would be using water, or I would be using water and a bit. So stay tuned. So you want to start off by pouring all of your glue in, no matter how long it takes you, but not all of it if you want it. Well, I like to use all of it. So then you want to be pouring some water, and I used the Elmer's glue. I used the I kind of recycled it and used it to pour in my water. And you want to be using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you would need about 5 tablespoons of contact solution. And then lastly, mix it. Ugh, so sticky, I love it. But before, it was not turning into slime. It was so liquidy, so I thought just add another teaspoon of baking soda. Woo! So slimy. I was looking back through the video and noticed that I said teaspoon instead of tablespoons. Sorry, I meant tablespoon. So if your slime is super sticky, first you have to mend it, or if it's so slimy you can't even play with it, add in more baking soda. Baking soda how should I put this? Makes the slime stick all together. Oh, guys, see that you made it to the end of the video. Did you notice this dragon, this purple dragon, pull this button that was hiding in the video? Where was it? Leave it down in the comment section below.